Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install a blog. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to go to our domain name. In this case it's onlyonepenny.com / and then the word cpanel. So once you do that, you're going to log in with your username and password, which you should have gotten in your welcome email from your hosting company. Now once we do that, we're logged into our cpanel. What we want to do is scroll down here until we come up to where it shows WordPress. Now there's another way to do this, which is with Fantastico Deluxe, what you see right here, but it's not as secure. What you want to do is choose WordPress if possible. So we click on that, and then you're going to see right here a blue button that says install. We click on that, and then because we want to install the WordPress blog on the root of this domain, which means when you type in this case, onlyonepenny.com, that's it. You'll see the blog. Then what we're going to do is where it says in directories, we're going to leave that blank. Now if we wanted to have this, say for example, at onlyonepenny.com / blog, then you would put in the word blog right here. Okay? But I'm going to suggest you leave this blank. Now right here where it says database name, I suggest you add just a couple of random letters here. So I'm just going to say PC, okay, instead of WP. And what that does is it makes it a little bit harder for hackers to use software where they're just going to randomly type in WP and then 3 numbers, which is the default. So same thing right here where it says table prefix. I'm going to change this to PC as well. So now what we do here is where it says site name, you would call it whatever you want. So I'm just going to say 1 penny, and then get hosting for 1 penny. And then down here where it says admin username, you want to make sure you don't leave this as admin, because that also is a security issue and it makes it easier for people to hack into your site. So I'm just going to say 1 penny for the username. And typically, because the site is onepenny.com or onlyonepenny.com, you wouldn't want to use this. You'd want to use something like your full name with no spaces, okay? But I'm just doing that for the example. And then for the password, you want to use a secure password. So what I use is LastPass, and we'll click on generate secure password. It gives a nice long crazy one like that, and so all we do is copy and paste it like that. And then for your email, you're going to put your own email. Okay, in this case I'm just going to leave this alone because I can change that later. And then we scroll down, and then you're going to see limit login attempts. You want to click on that, because if you don't do this, then if somebody uses software to hack into your site, it'll make it very easy for them to. But otherwise, what will happen is each user will get a limit of 3 login attempts. Otherwise, they'll have to wait for, I forget if it's 10 or 20 minutes before they can try again, which is a very good way to help secure your WordPress blog. So once we do that, we simply come down here and we click on install. So now that we've done that, you'll see it only takes about a minute to do, and now we can see that our blog is actually installed. If we come over here and we click on this, then we can see the blog is installed. And if we go back here, this is where we would go to log in order to get into the back door or the admin area.